Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G52. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's enter Google app, tap button in the top right corner and go to settings. Enter Google Assistant and go to voice mode. Enable OK Google function, and now let's try it. OK Google. OK Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Now let's try it again. OK Google. Okay, now when it's working, we can go back and enter lock screen. Make sure to enable this function, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, OK Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.